I'm kinda scared. Hanggang 4 a.m. ako gising kanina.
Ay, dapat sana I'm gonna miss this place.
Most especially to Sir DJ and Lori.
This is the last ever time I'm going to walk this road between Pav to Cal as an undergrad. I'm at school. Kasama ko thesis mates ko and CJ. Meron kaming dry run sa colloquium. Kasi colloquium is sa Monday na. Parang medyo hindi ko siya kaya ha. Parang ayoko na. This is almost the end of the culmination of studying here. Which is kind of crazy considering na parang hindi ko pa feeling na fourth year ako. But yeah, regardless if we're ready or not, I'm gonna update na lang once na tapos na kami. Ayoko na! I'm kinda scared. Hanggang 4 a.m. ako gising kanina. Nagtatapos ako ng script, pati PPT. Pumula yung mata ko kanina. But, I think we're gonna do fine. We're gonna do fine.
Parang may comment would be something na parang meron kayo style for that. Okay, kahit ka muna. 5 minutes.
Ako 5 minutes na po. Thank you po.
Ay, dapat sana mapakailan sa analysis and power relations in what we do. And give tips.
Thank you po. Oh my gosh, we're done! I think it went pretty well. Okay naman. Meron lang isang major revision si Prof. But for the most part, I think we did like super good. And ayun, yung PowerPoint na lang ipapasa namin and we're done. Thank the Lord. Punta na akong Kalan, uwi na ako kasi meron pa akong presentation that kailangan kong ayusin for Monday then. This is like one of the last times I'm ever gonna walk this path to Cal. I'm gonna miss this place so much. This has literally been my home for the past 4 years.
Technicalities that emerge from the presentations, from the abstracts creating the kind of theory that we're asking and that we're using. Alright. Okay, but I think what was now I also read this colloquium in terms of the kinds of papers in the not about language. We talk about language as something that's lived, something as a very young language scholar. You can see here on the left where the tourist tenant, yes, the president of the parish president, back over and this kind of problems and needs in the life, right? Hey,
Supervisors with these narratives. Third, we have Sarah Ahmed Ahmed.
Oh my God, panel 1 is done. Super lamig. Ngayon, magla-lunch break lang kami and then we'll be right back. Pare-paras kayo.
Ito ay... Hindi ba? Ito tapa.
Pineapple orange.
Asa sa Sandra?
Put this in my pocket. And I have my food. Congrats, Dan! Congrats sa inyo! Doon ako sa kabilang room. Labi out! Uy, Sandra, hinahanap ka ni Zay. Nino? Ni Zay. Anong tao? Ay. Hello? Asan na sila, Humphrey? Asan na kami? Apologies to sila, Humphrey. They left me. They let me in. Sorry. Tabi ako. Ay, hindi ko mahanap sila, Humphrey.
Kailan ba sila mga nag-practice?
Wala. What did you get? We'll try the tapa. Ready na kayo? Ha? Ano? Ano kayo? That's all I can stomach right now. Baka sumuka ako habang nagpe-present kami. Babaunin ko na lang to.
By prioritizing investigation.
Nag-dry run kami. Kaya namin to. May ibang panel before us pa, pero kailangan handa na kami. Tapos na. Out of the 5 content creators chosen, we will present a sample analysis of visual and
House panel in 2023, and despite this,
of labor, morality, gender, and institutional power. Finally, interpretation was guided by reflexive positionality and ethical awareness, because narratives
of constructive violent crime and development.
Laminated stickers as part of the 18-day campaign to end violence against women.
Context, which also serves as the foundation of the study's conceptual framework. Random circulars and other legal documents related to the transport sector. Future studies may also apply additional or different frameworks to provide broader analysis of the
Most especially Mr. EJ and Ma'am Lori.
Sino ko picture? Ayan. Okay na ba? Ready na ba?
tapos na kami! Oh my God! 2 semesters worth yon ng research and gawa. Dati dun pinag-iisip ako lang that I was kind of scared that it was gonna happen, pero ngayon tapos na kami. This is my last ever time that I'm gonna be on campus for school-related things. Susunod ko na nandito ako, graduation na! Tapos na, colloquium's done. We did so well. This is the last ever time I'm going to walk this road between Pav to Cal as an undergrad. Next time ko dito sa school, grad na. It's been 4 amazing years. Thank you, UP. Thank you sa pagpaaral sa isang mahirap na estudyante na hindi kayang mag-aral sa ibang top 4 universities. Tapos na yung thesis. Well, colloquium pa lang. Thesis isn't fully done yet, pero malapit na. Malayo pa, pero malayo na. Ang ganda mo, Cal. Susunod ko na tingin sa landscape na to. Graduate na ako. I'm gonna miss these steps na lagi ako na ano dito, tatalisod or like na nasa slide pag tag-ulan tapos gumagalaw pa yung mga steps kasi hindi siya nakasemento. I'm gonna miss being able to walk here. Saying goodbye to my beautiful green building na for some reason looks white now. When I first went to UP, this was really green. But now apparently it's white. I'm going home na. Still have to do a bunch of requirements. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end it here. Ano ba yan? Last day na, iwan ko pa yung tubigan ko. Punta na lang tumawag ako kay Lee kasi nandun pa siya sa classroom. So yan, babalikan namin, nakita daw nila. Yung tubigan ko! But there's no tomorrow. Natitiktok kami. Thank you!
But there's no tomorrow.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go! Saksakan at wifi doon. Meron din cafe o
Okay na yan.